Just like every other vlog, we start in the Denali, bro. We have the exhaust hanging right off the back. Why? Because we're gonna go take it to the shop. It is Monday and I have to go take it to the shop. They're about to close, so hopefully they're not closed and I make it just in time to at least drop it off. And give them these lights that I ordered for the rear. If you guys have been a long time supporter, you guys seen before the accident, I was recording a video where I was installing some rear reflector lights. Yeah, I reordered those so I could put them on, and I want those because I think they look sick and I didn't get a chance to put them on, so I'm gonna have them put it on. Shout out to Striker Lights, you know, for giving me a discount code again and letting me rebuy them. Alright, I'm here. I gotta take it down now. I gotta take it to them, so I'll be right back. So we came and dropped off the exhaust. I forgot to tell you guys that. Here's the exhaust. They're gonna install this pretty soon, but here's the exhaust. My car is over here but covered up because it's about to rain, but we got the wing up there. I just noticed that. That's the trunk. Then they got the front bumper and all that. That's the broken one. I got the painted ones over here. The car is covered up over here, and shit should be getting armed up next week, he said, or this week. He said maybe tomorrow they're gonna start putting it back together. But here she is, pretty much done and painted, bro. She looks good. The lights are on, everything's connected, paint's all done. He's got the airbags. They need to install that tomorrow, he said. Trunks obviously removed. And then he said tomorrow they're gonna be painting the rear bumper and the front bumper. I mean the diffusers. But everything's pretty much done. And shit, she should be back pretty damn soon, bro. Pretty soon. They got the front bumper up there, as you guys can see. Front bumper and rear bumper right up there. Louis TRX, as you guys know. We got the HD over here. Denali. But yeah, we dropped off the lights, the rear reflectors. He said he'll do that for me too. And exhaust is dropped off. They're gonna install that. So we pretty much got everything we need to do. Pretty much done. And yeah, now it's just hopefully tomorrow I can come back. He calls me and they'll be pretty much putting it back together, and I can hopefully get some footage for you guys. So let's just cross our fingers and they'll be putting it back tomorrow so we can come and get some footage. It was a very quick trip too, because they were closing anyway, so I had to go real quick and just drop it off. So I couldn't really get much for you guys other than just seeing the Supra under the sheet because it's gonna rain, so they covered it up just in case. So let's see if they call me tomorrow so I can get footage of them assembling it. And yeah, he even said he clear coated the wing, the carbon fiber duckbill already. So yeah, just a matter of time of them putting it back together. You know it's Christmas when they got these lights here on these streets like that. You know it's Christmas.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
As you guys can see, it is raining right now, bro. So I haven't even gone and checked to see if they've even done anything to the Supra, because I'm pretty sure they haven't, because it's been raining for the past 2 days. They ain't doing nothing, bro, and I can't really get content for you guys. This is really the things that be happening, you know? Like, if it's raining, they ain't gonna be working on the car, obviously, because they don't want to get all wet and shit, so pretty sure they're gonna work on it next week or probably the week after that. Who knows? I don't know their schedule. It's literally just a waiting game here, bro. Just waiting, chilling, just got home, got my food right here, my In-N-Out, about to chill, watch some YouTube, see what we can watch. But yeah, man, it really just be like that, man. I just got home from work too. I'm still in my pants. It has been a couple days. It is actually a day before Christmas Eve right now. What do you want, fool?
Come help your mama.
What the hell? I gotta go help my mama. Alright, we back from helping mama. I didn't think I was gonna show you guys this because I didn't think it was gonna come in time. I'm gonna show you guys because it came in time, and because when I got this lens, I told you guys I wanted to up the production and the quality and all that on the content and things like that. I bought a couple things for when the Supra comes back. The content's about to be so insane, so lit. I'm excited, bro. Now I just can't wait to really have the Supra back. These are the things I bought. 3, 2. I got me a Insta 360 X3. Then I got the Go 3 with the car mount, an 126 gig quick release mount, monkey tail mount. Why you close the door? And then the screen protector, obviously, selfie stick, and then lens cap. But yeah, bro, I can't wait to use this, bro, for the POV shots. The POV shots are about to be sick. And then the wide angle 360 shots is about to be hella sick. when the Supra comes back. Damn, bro, I can't wait to use all these things when the Supra comes back. Especially this, bro. The POV shots is gonna be so dope. Especially with the titanium exhaust when it comes back. And this, bro, it's gonna be so sick getting the exhaust shots. I can't wait to use all this. And I contacted them because they forgot to send me another one of these. I ordered 2 and they only sent me 1, so hopefully they get back to me. Yeah, bro, I didn't think I was gonna show you guys this, but it came hella early. I ordered it on Monday this week and it came in this week of Saturday. So I was like, oh shit, bet. But yeah, early Christmas present myself. Can't wait to use all these gadgets when the Supra comes back. Or even I should just test them one day, see how they all look. Merry Christmas Eve, y'all. It is Christmas Eve and my bed frame's not here. My bed's not here, but the bed frame is here. And I am about to build this shit right now. Yeah, this is what my Christmas Eve morning is doing. Right now I'm a little lost. Gotta see where I gotta start. Got the instructions right here, but yeah, this is what I'm doing. Building a damn bed frame. And this is how far I've gotten so far. I still have a couple more stuff to do, but this is how far I've gotten so far. Gotta vacuum first and all that before I do everything else in the middle. And yeah, we should be able to put the mattress on. I'm tired. Your boy is tired. So I totally forgot to show you guys. We filled the bed frame. I finished it. And look how it looks. LED. Like I was showing you guys earlier, the bed frame is done, which is sick because it comes with 2 drawers as well. Yeah, so now it looks dope. And if I want, I could add some lights. And look, turn it on. There it is. Well, boom. Got that nice LED effect. So sick. But yeah, man. Merry Christmas, y'all. I'm filming this on Christmas Day. Why? Because I wanted to just put something out for you guys. I know it's not a lot, but like the title says, bro, things never go as planned, bro. It just is what it is. Sometimes, you know, I have content. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'm just trying to fit things into a video to, you know, just entertain you guys. But yeah, bro, got a lot of gifts. Shout out to the family. Had some food already. Merry Chrysler, y'all. I hope y'all enjoying y'all day with your family and your loved ones, whoever y'all spending it with. Hope y'all having a beautiful, amazing time. But this is gonna be it for me. This is gonna be it for this video. I don't really have much. I wanted to put something out for you guys today, just to, you know, have some out for you guys. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button for your boy, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new and be part of a family, and just stay up to date with the Supra. Hopefully they do something this week. I don't know. It's probably nothing's gonna happen this week because they're probably going on break or whatever it is. So we're probably gonna get the Supra maybe next year. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking maybe late January. We got some side bets going on. People are thinking like the 2nd week of January and all that, but I'm thinking probably the last couple of days of January. I'll probably get the car back, but it's okay because we're still waiting on a couple things to arrive anyways. Like I said, subscribe, bro, so you guys stay up to date on the Supra rebuild. This has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.
Something happened.